Ladies and gentlemen, come on, give it up, give it up. And I'd like to welcome our friends from Jack TV. Thank you very much for coming over. What a coincidence, huh? You show up on the day I decide to put on my Jack TV pen, huh? Must be psychic. Anyway, Mike and Son here. For those of you who haven't seen me, first timers, it's about time you guys showed up. So I really appreciate it. Anyway, UAAP Fever, people are still obsessed with the games. The people in blue are still celebrating, and I don't blame them. Maybe they'll all go drinking sometime this week, because that's what people do. Winners go out drinking with their friends. And just some thoughts about drinking. If you guys plan to drink tonight, please don't drink too much. Because if you drink too much, you might end up talking about things you don't really want to talk about. Like 1 minute, you could be this really cool guy trying to dance to the beat with your bottle. 20 bottles later, you can't even stand up anymore. And all your friends are like, "Oh pare, what's your problem?" Pare, mahal ko pa rin siya eh. Bakit ba kailangan may nasasaktan? Ganito pala yung love, no? Hindi ko kaya. Let's face it, ladies and gentlemen, men are weak. Women are stronger, smarter, really. Every time I see a bunch of girls talking, they're always talking about important stuff. You look around, a bunch of women talking, "You know what? I quit my job now." "Huh? Why? Bakit?" "Because I put up my own business." "Oh wow, you're so smart." "Yeah, I know." "In fact, I just finished my MBA." "Fuck, you were taking an MBA, oh, see? You didn't even realize I finished her just like that, huh?" And listen to this, listen to this. "I broke up now with my boyfriend." "Oh, why? Bakit?" "Because I caught him cheating. I gave him another chance, and after 2 weeks, he was cheating on me again. So I erased him from my life." Huh? It doesn't even hurt. Here, hold my heart. And over by the other side, where all the guys are seated, they're all very sedated. Pare, ipa-lowered ko kaya yung kotse ko. Pare, pag pina-lowered mo yung kotse mo, 3 na lang kayong makakasakay. Sana hindi nga. Hindi nga. Oo, 3 na lang kayo, sasayad eh. Ha? Hindi ko napapa-lowered. Buti na lang, nakausap kita, no? You're so smart, ha? Ito, serious question. Huwag kang tatawa, ha? O, bakit? Pag pinapili ka, si Marian Rivera o lahat ng EB Babes? Marian Rivera ako, pare. Sigurado ka, baka high maintenance yun. Tandaan mo, marami na yung shows. Ganun ba? Buti lang, sinabi mo sa akin. Sige, lahat na lang ng EB Babes. Anin mo naman lahat nun. Actually, si Joyce lang yung type ko dun eh. So, i-divide ko sila into subgroups. Yung isang batch sila yung magluluto. Tapos, yung iba, papaturuan ko mag-gardening. Hindi mag-gardening sila, di ba? Tapos yung den namin, laging madumi, sila yung maglilinis. Tapos yung final group, yung pinaka-smart of them all, papatraining ko din sila. Para saan? Para sila na yung mag-lower ng kotse ko. Anyway, speaking of cars, don't you just hate it when your side mirrors suddenly disappear? I mean, it's the most inconvenient thing because it's pretty difficult to drive without them. So what do? It's like a vicious cycle. Every time your side mirrors get stolen, you go to Banawe. Even though the stuff there is stolen, you pretend that you don't know. The guy you stop also is pretending that he doesn't know that they're stolen. You're like looking around. So kaya dito makakabili ng side mirror na bago. And a guy in a bicycle shows up.
Sir, side mirror ba kailangan mo?
Oo eh.
Ano ba to? EXO 97?
Tama.
Titingnan ko lang kung may stock, ha?
Then he shows up with bloodstains.
Sir, ito! Kakadating na! Kapit na natin, ha? Sir, paging 200, bilis!
doing stand-up comedy for 5 years now, and it hasn't been easy. A lot of skeptics doubted my skills when I was starting out. A lot of evil people, you know, shaking my hand after the set. Hey, pare, you had a good set. I liked it. After I turned my... Evil bar owners. My, come here. You were so funny. The worst thing I heard, which really stuck to me, still bothering me to this day, is this. One time after my set, somebody goes, "Mike Unso, hindi ka naman nakakatawa eh." Guwapo ka lang. And it broke my heart because I'm more than just a pretty face. I actually finished college, LaSalle all the way, huh? Grade school, high school. Ay, hindi, piniyod pala ako ng college. sorry, ha? Because of all this excitement, it kinda slipped my mind. But I did try to apply in the main campus. I took a test and I failed. And I'm man enough to admit it. I received a thin letter after taking my test, which my father gave me pointers. Thin letter, you're out. Thick letter, you're in. So I got a thin letter, Mr. Unson, with regrets. It wasn't in the letter, it was on the envelope. Inside the envelope was a Saint Benil brochure. Shouldn't you be going here instead, Mr. Unson? And an usherette showed up out of nowhere. Mr. Unson, this way please. It's right across McDonald's. You can still root for the UAAP team, go LaSalle. You know, I still feel bad, even though I'm from Benil. I feel bad that LaSalle lost. But it's okay. In every game, there's a winner and a loser. Huh? But a lot of funny calls during the recent championship series, right? Like a technical foul for pointing a dirty finger. I mean, let me just give you my logical explanation for that dirty finger. If you would hear me out for a few seconds. He wasn't pointing a dirty finger. He was actually just pointing to the guy. Because while he was walking to the court, some LaSalle fans, die-hard LaSalle fans, started shouting to Rico, "Rico, Rico! MVP! MVP!" And Rico's like, "Ako? Hindi ako, siya! Di ba ikaw yung MVP?" Of course, he's a foreigner. "Oh, what is this guy saying to?" But they actually had an unfair advantage because they had Norman Black's Burlington basketball tips. Yes. That is the best explanation I could think about. Imagine LaSalle with their dreaded LaSalle press. How could you maneuver past that, huh? I could imagine during practice time, "Okay, Rabe, come over here. This is how you do a back to the basket."